Hello, my name is Bill Feaver, and I'm making this little video to just kind of introduce myself to everyone. I am a teacher. I've been teaching for the last 21 years at a juvenile hall. Before that, I was a farmer for like 20 some years, 30 years. I farmed with my brother. We farmed several hundred acres and we managed some property, and also we operated an ag spraying business. Before that, I worked for an engineering firm for about 10 years. That's kind of my work history, but I've always had a feeling for trying to be an entrepreneur. I've tried everything from back in the 1970s. I think I started with Amway. I was never really very good at any of those network marketing type things. I always seemed to not just have enough time to get to it. I was busy doing other things, and so I never made any money. And so then I found this home-based home business academy, and I just stumbled on it. And on the internet, somebody contacted me, and I saw it, and I thought, well, I'll give it a shot because I'm still teaching, but I'm getting close to retirement, and I'm thinking about having something to do in my retirement years. As I started this, it's basically just a funnel business and a teaching business. And I found that the information was good. The people were great. There was a lot of people reaching out to help me, and I made a few dollars, and that kind of stimulated me. The people, the feeling you have, and that really helped me to understand that this business may have something for me. A little bit about it. It basically, you can use it with any business. It's like a tool, but it also teaches you things. There's an affiliate element to it where you can make money too as you do that. So I'm exploring things and looking at things. And making videos is something that I'm very hard for me to do. And so I'm giving it a shot. I'm just sending this out and see to introduce myself. Anyway, thank you so much. I wish all of you good luck and success in anything you try. Thank you.